Yo YouTube, what is going on? So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch F1 for free. This is using Hulu. You can also do it through ESPN Plus, and I'm going to show you how to do this, guys, and how to get a free membership so you can watch F1 for completely free, along with whatever other sports you want to watch. So you need to use a mobile phone, and this is going to be basically a tutorial showing you how to get a free subscription to Hulu or ESPN Plus, where you can go ahead and watch F1 among other sports. So open up the internet on your phone. I'm using an iPhone here, doesn't matter if you're on Android, and you have to go to the following website, guys: www.speedycoupons. Make sure you spell it correctly, guys. .com. So Speedy Coupons, I'll put it on the screen somewhere as well so you can get the address correct. But this is a coupon codes website, guys, and they also specialize in membership codes and stuff like that. So you can see there's probably 100+ pages on here, so you need to go to the search bar and just type in Hulu, or you can type in ESPN. Basically navigate to one of these pages. So in this case, this is the ESPN Plus page, and this is going to get you a free 12-month subscription. So you can go ahead and redeem the code once you unlock it, and it's going to give you a free subscription where you can go ahead and watch F1. So you need to basically unlock your exclusive code. You can see these are limited codes, and of course ESPN Plus is pretty expensive. So this limits one code per person. So go ahead and tap unlock code. Now, when this reaches 100%, you can see it's counting up. You're going to see a new screen. Let me just cancel this so I don't waste any codes. But you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your subscription code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to basically complete a couple of these free and simple tasks. It basically verifies you as a real person. But once you've done that, guys, your code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into a code, and you can go ahead and in this case redeem it on the ESPN website, and it's going to give you a free 12-month subscription, guys. Super easy. You can also do this for Hulu, same process, guys, and that's going to also get you a free subscription if you wish for Hulu for 12 months. So that is how you can watch F1 for completely free, guys. Yeah, like I said, this is pretty easy. Just make sure you do follow the instructions. Head on over to speedycoupons.com and enjoy, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. But yeah, it's pretty easy if you do follow the instructions. So yeah, enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.